how to make money online, the 7 fastest ways that actually work. Hi, my name is Ed Chase C. Smith. I am the founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so that you can live life on your terms. In today's session, this is going to be the best session that you've ever watched in this area. Before we get into it, I'm doing a free giveaway. If you want to get this online program, here's what it's going to do for you. It's how to get 100,000 followers, your first 100,000 followers in less than 29 days. And I'm giving it away completely free. All you need to do to get it is just like this video, comment below, and what I'll do, I'll randomly select. Number 1, all right, sell other people's stuff. Why start with that? Because the deal is, if they've already got a product, they've already got a service, that's going to be the quickest way. All you need to do is find an audience to sell that stuff to. Now, this is called affiliate marketing if you haven't heard of what affiliate marketing is, all right? And it's a really simple process. And maybe you've heard that, maybe that's not a new conversation for you. However, I want you to get to the understanding of this. It's really simple, okay? If they already have a product, they already have a business, and they already have an audience, then that means that it's working. So if it's working, then there's a lot of things that you can learn from that by doing that process. You can understand, why people buy, what they buy, and all of those things. And so even if you're an entrepreneur, you want to be an entrepreneur, then that's cool. Like sometimes people think, oh, Ed, I don't want to start, selling someone else's stuff. I want to create my own stuff. That's cool. But understand what works first, right? Maybe you've heard of Tony Robbins, maybe you haven't. He started selling someone else's stuff first. This guy called Jim Rohn. He sold Jim Rohn seminars before he sold his own seminars, right? And if you haven't heard of him, he's probably, stacking out 20,000 people that come to see him that want to, move forward in their life, etc., the usual sorts of stuff. But he started selling someone else's stuff first, all right? When you look at Zuckerberg, right, who created Facebook, you know that, right? He started what? He started looking at MySpace first. He started looking at what worked already and then developed his own platform off the back of that. So sometimes a lot of people slow themselves down because they try to create a new wheel when the wheel is already working. It's already out there, okay? So number 1, affiliate marketing, selling other people's products and services. You can sell stuff from eBay, right? You can sell your junk, or you can sell your parents' junk or your friends' junk, all right? Again, just put it up online and start selling it. Number 1, sell other people's stuff. Number 2, start a blog. Start writing about stuff that you're passionate about. Write about, what you love, all right? And if you don't know what you love, then start writing about your journey as you journalize your thoughts. The more you write, the quicker you get, the more effective you get, the more understanding you have about what it is that drives you, all of these sort of beautiful things. Then, here's how you monetize it. You then write a book, and you can self-publish. You don't need to publish, you don't need to spend a lot of money publishing. You can self-publish your own book. We have a publication company that I created that did my book and my clients' books, right? You don't need to spend a lot. Like back in the day, to get a publisher, you'd spend like 50K, 100K possibly to some of the big publication houses to produce your book, to get it all done. And you don't need to spend that today, all right? This is the beautiful world in which you're living in. Make sure, as always, you subscribe. Just click that link below. 3 videos a week. That's how we roll, okay? Audio podcasting. All right, start with your audio podcast. Again, really efficient, easy to do. And then you can start to develop your voice so you practice what you're talking about. And again, scientifically proven. All right, the more you talk about your idea, the more your idea starts to get what I call legs, where you start to find your voice, where you start to really understand what it is that you're talking about. As you start to talk more on your online, your podcast, then you can create an online program on the back of that. So you hold those MP3s, you build your audience, because you're delivering a valuable, product. People are finding you and stuff. All of this requires clients. I'm not saying it doesn't. So you need to know how to generate traffic to the stuff that you do, which is our number 1 tool is Facebook ads. So if you want to register for a live webinar, I can take you through exactly how we did that. We've done 0 to 1 million in less than 7 months on just one online funnel. That's what that award is for. So I just want you to know that it works. Our clients do it. I've done it. We've made money from all of these 7 points, and that's why they're the quickest. Number 4, videos. So start practicing your videos. As you put more content out there, you get an understanding again, what's your niche, who do you want to speak to, what's the problem that you're resolving. Business is just problem solution, right? That's all it is. All right, if there isn't a problem, there's no value exchange. That's all business is, a value exchange of helping someone further forward, quicker, faster, etc. So you do your videos on a topic, and then you create an online program which you can sell at a later stage. Gold. Write that one down. Do it. Everyone starts with a theme. So the question is what's your theme? So build your theme with your videos and then put it into an online portal. And I want you to know, an online portal today, back in the day, when I first, put an online program together, it was like 60,000 to have a membership site. Today, you can use Teachable, Kajabi, ClickFunnels. All of these things really, really work. We use specific, if you want my ClickFunnels account, you can just click the link below and take a free trial. However, look, it's never before been easier to start setting these things up and actually doing it as you move further forward, right? So videos. Number 5, coaching services, consultancy services, all right? Even if you're in a job right now, you're in a job, okay, and you want to help someone do that job quicker, someone will pay for that information, all right? So people will pay for the information that you have. If you don't know anything, of course, they're not going to pay anything. So you have to earn your stripes first. But coaching, consultancy is the 3rd largest growing business in the world today. You've got number 1, drugs, number 2, technology, number 3, e-learning, information, and consultancy services. Now, we make a lot through consultancy, and it's really simple. We drive ads, people see it, they fill out a form, and then we solve their problem with a consultancy service on a monthly retainer basis. Now, of course, you can choose any niche, all right? Any niche works. Health, wealth, relationship. That's all the 3 niches, okay? In every single service is some sort of sub-product of those health, wealth, and relationships in some shape or form. So consultancy, beautiful. All right, at number 6, become an influencer, whether you're using, Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, which is, again, a theme. All right, all you need to do to be an influencer is a theme. Do you know Gary Vaynerchuk? All right, Gary Vaynerchuk, what did he do? He started in wine. He started talking about wine, and he did 5 years worth on YouTube. And why did he do it? He started putting videos up and noticed that he was driving more traffic with the videos to their online store. He was one of the first to put a traditional business, which they had a wine shop, onto an online store and started driving traffic, clients to see it through his videos. So he started with a theme, passionate about wine, and just smashed out loads and loads of content about wine. 5 years on, he then moved into an influencer space as he built an audience and built a media company teaching people exactly what he had done already. That is how Gary Vaynerchuk monetizes online business. So he doesn't sell online programs, occasionally he will sell a book, but he gets paid as a keynote speaker, drives a loads of traffic to his Vayner Media and also his wine stores. That's how he did it. You take Logan Paul, you know Logan Paul? How did Logan Paul did it? He started what? On Vine. Then he built his audience through what? Comedy videos, short sketches, built loads of people watching it. Then moved over to Facebook videos and then moved to YouTube, okay, where he built his audience, all right? And any beauty blogger, any sort of they have a theme, they have something they're passionate about, and they do a load of content on it, get a load of subscribers that are loving what they do. Like what I'm here to do, our channel is about helping you live life on your terms. 3 videos a week, helping you make more money, helping you get more stuff done, and helping you have more freedom to do the things that you truly want to do. So that's why you're gonna subscribe. At point number 7, leverage your skills and use a website called www.upwork.com. All right, here's how you do it. You literally, as I said, I outsource all of my paperwork, admin, all of that kind of stuff, right? And make sure that, I'm always focused on my primary income goal, all right? My primary income, focus, and not having to do paperwork and all that kind of stuff. It's just time consuming, and other people want to do that. So if you're a designer, you're a tech, you build coding, you're an artist, whatever it is that you do, you have a skill, put your skill and make it available for other people to pay you an hourly rate or a contract rate or a project rate for that skill. Really simple, really simple. So those are the 7 fastest ways to make money online, and they actually work because we make money through all of them, and so do our clients. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. As always, my name is Ed J.C. Smith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. No matter what happens, never give up on those dreams, and I'll see you soon. It's time for you to take your life to the next level. Awaken your entrepreneur so you can do what you want to do. Hi, my name is Ed J.C. Smith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. Make your dreams a reality so you can have the choice, the freedom that you truly deserve. Build your business, 10x your life, make a massive difference, and I'm with you every step of the way. So no matter what happens, you never give up on your dreams.